To unfold, unbuckle the storage straps, grab both headrest sides and rotate them up into the open and locked position. Avoid pinching when moving the sides and keep your fingers away from the hinge. To unfold the headrest, rotate the headrest up until the headrest locks into the use position. To unfold the seat back and the headrest, rotate the seat back up until it locks into position. To unfold the seat back sides, grasp both seat back sides and rotate them out into the open and locked position. Please remember that although we've shown you this slowly and step by step, you can open the seat really quickly and it's great fun. Now you can adjust the height and width of the booster seat to fit your child.